Hello and welcome friends to Dynamics Tutorials. Mixer brush tool in Photoshop is one of the most creative feature of Photoshop. With the help of mixer brush tool, you can make paintings and even you can do high-end retouching. And along with that, you can also make some creative Photoshop manipulations. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how we can make these kind of 3D brush strokes by using mixer brush tool. So how we gonna do that? For this, let's get straight into the video. So I have already opened a blank layer here. So first I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use ellipse shape tool. From the fill option you can use gradient. I already have so many gradient presets. If you don't have any, you can make your own gradient by clicking on this icon. Here I am choosing the red and the blue color. You can use some basic gradients, purple or even any tone of red. Here I am choosing this one. So by making a new layer and clicking on the mixer brush tool, which you can see in the tools panel. So how we gonna choose this gradient as a brush tool? For that, make sure you have unchecked the load solid colors only option so that you can choose any gradient. You can check this tool. So what this tool does is, this tool just load your after each strokes. In the next option, by choosing this icon, you can clean your brush after each stroke. Make your wet 0, load and flow 100 so that your brush will paint evenly on the canvas, and also make sure to click on sample all layers. After doing all the settings, just go to the ellipse dot which you have made, and with the help of Option and Alt key, choose this as a brush color. Now simply you can draw this on your canvas and it will give your brush a 3D effect. So with the help of this, you don't have to bevel emboss any brush strokes. And also you can add some layer styles like outer glow, so that this will look that your lines and your brush strokes are glowing. So how you can make this picture in few steps, I am gonna show you in my next tutorial. For that, stay tuned. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If you did, like this video and also smash the subscribe button.